Good morning, Familam. We are at day 1 of Generation Speed. Mic check is going on for the main stage. We are almost done with our display setup and we are going to go for a round. So let's check out what Generation Speed is like just before it starts.
After a lot of back and forth, our stall was finally ready. The Skoda VRS Zone in association with the Drivers Hub. Once the event kicked off and people started entering, me and Bhavneet got busy attending all of you guys. With the MK 4.5 VRS in the center of our stall along with the Mark 1 VRS and the manual swap all-wheel drive Mark 3.5 VRS besides it, it really looked insane and was one of the best stalls at the event in my opinion, with all of the other crazy VRS builds behind them.
So this is what the hype has been all about. Welcome to our stand at Generation Speed. This is the Skoda X Drivers Hub VRS Experience stand and we literally have all the VRSs that have been sold in India. And of course, the new MK 4.5 is also at our stand. And yeah, this came in last minute. This whole collaboration was last minute, but it was totally worth it. So let me just give you a quick rundown as to what we have. So of course in front, we have the MK 4.5 VRS. On the right hand side, we have the newly built manual swap stage 2 all-wheel drive VRS 230. This is also an insane build, Golf R gearbox, Golf R Hall decks. Come on to the left, you have a stage 2 tuned MK1 VRS and in my opinion the best looking car out of the lot over here. If we go on to the back, we'll go from here. This is a little hidden, but if you know, you know. India's fastest stock block VRS 245 or VRS in general. This is built by Mechanics Automotive and N Square Autotech. More than 450 horsepower. Does the quarter mile in 11.6.7 seconds. It's absolutely bonkers. This is bonkers as well. Garrett Stage 1 turbo, Assetto Gara wheels, carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber fenders, intercooler, intake, almost everything. This also has been built by Mechanics Automotive and I'm sure it's making more than 400 horsepower. This is a little bit of a weird one because it's technically not a VRS but it's pretty much as fast as one. This is Only One Racing's Stage 3 CTS IS38 Octavia 1.8 TSI RTMG Kevlar race clutch, Lenzo Jaeger Dyna wheels and it has a whole bunch of other really cool stuff. Then we have our own VRS 245. This is running a snail turbo, front mounted intercooler, Team Dynamic Racing wheels, Maxton side skirts, Maxton spoiler extension, whole bunch of other stuff. Insanely cool car. Can't wait to make more content with it. This is just a stock steel grey VRS 230. In fact, I would say it's the rarest thing of the bunch. It is so difficult to find a stock VRS. This actually does stand out quite a bit. Coming back to modded VRSs, this is Auto Desir Performances Stage 2 VRS 230. This is running Porsche brakes, a red carbon fiber Venturi intake which looks crazy, and New Speed RSE 10 wheels which are my favorite wheels on this platform. Then we have another crazy build, a 2-liter swapped Laura TSI. This has been built by Nick Trans Motorsport and N1 Racing. This is running an EA888 Gen 2 engine and it has to be the best sounding car over here by a mile. And last but definitely not the least, the Laura VRS. And that completes our stall. We also have the Kailak and the Rapid over there in the back. But yeah, this is it. And I mean, this has been a really special moment for us because we would have never thought we would have done something like this.
After taking yet another round of the event, it was time for our exhibition run. We took the MK1, the Laura VRS, manual swap all-wheel drive VRS, and of course had to take the new MK 4.5 VRS as well.
Give it up for the one and only Shelly Patena. Welcome, sir. Welcome to Generation Speed 25. Brought them here and gunned them down the speedway. It was absolutely amazing video from you. And thank you for the support that you give the motoring fraternity. But if you have some festivals like this, is what we all are waiting for. Thank you so much, Asfi sir. Thank you for the support that you give us. Please give him a round of applause. There's a lot more action to the speedway. And I hope you're going to enjoy the rest of the 2 days, sir. Thank you very much. Right to the speedway. Absolutely, so that's right, we're here on the speedway with all the racing action on the line. Yes! Everyone's personal favorite when it comes to the Skodas in the country. Brands, the first badge of the country out here today. All performance vehicle on the track right now. We got a special showcase of our VRS owners on the track right now in association with the Drivers Hub out here today at Speedway with Skoda VRS.
So we've been super busy the whole day, so some shots will be a mix and match right now. But these are two really special Lamborghini supercars. That's an Aventador Ultimate Roadster, the last of its kind. Naturally aspirated 6.5 litre V12. And this is probably my most favorite Huracan. It's the Huracan Performante. I know a lot of people like the STO and the Technica and so on, but this does something to me which I can't really explain. Let's head to some other stalls. And let me show you some other cool cars as well. I think so some drift cars need to be featured now. Let's go. Another really cool stand is our friends from Power Drift. They have some sick cars at their stand. The new GT3 RS, a GTR and Rohan Albal's Gallardo. That's a 5 litre, a pre-LP car, and it sounds like heaven. Maybe we can put in a shot of it revving somewhere. I'm not sure if we've taken it or not, but I'm definitely going to go tomorrow on their stand and talk with them a little and maybe sit in some car, maybe the GT3 RS. So that is a Tekka GT Street R. Luckily my friend Bob is taking care of this car for this weekend. We went last night to just check up on all of our cars and we checked this out up close and personal, and that thing is bonkers. I mean, it sounds crazy, it looks crazy, and the aerodynamics, the active aerodynamics also are crazy. Like the spoiler at the rear is tall enough, but if that's not enough for you, there's another layer to it on top which extends, which is crazy. Let's move forward to some of the other cars. So SVJ, I mean, iconic now. Crazy looking car. It has active aerodynamics through the fixed parts that are inside with the ALA system. That looks absolutely nuts. You have the Gen 1 Aventador, a great comparison between the two because Gen 1 and the last of its kind. And we have another Huracan. I think so this is an Evo and it looks absolutely killer. This is the same one that had come to that meetup that happened in Pune, and we have a 488 GTB, and I think so. Abhay from TDH Motorsport did a video with Mr. Sanjay in this car, so do check that reel out on Instagram. Abhay is doing killer work on TDH Motorsport, so he definitely deserves some recognition. So go check out TDH Motorsport. But if you want to talk about crazy cars, well, I think so nothing beats these two. We have, I'm guessing, a rolling chassis of the RB16B, if I'm not wrong. Max Verstappen's first championship winning car. And if you go a little bit down the same aisle, you have India's first twin turbocharged Audi R8 with a Sheepy Racing twin turbo kit. That thing is bonkers. I think so currently the fastest Indian drag car which has been recorded by FMSCI. But this is quite the pull-up. The Kerala boys have pulled up with a whole bunch of crazy cars from Dubai. Bunch of Dodges, Charger, Challenger. And yeah, this looks sick. And of course behind them you have a whole line of crazy sports cars and Porsches and everything. I don't know what to show next. I mean, there's so many things going on. So I don't know what the next shot is. So it's day 2 over here at Generation Speed. We're at our Skoda Experience Zone. We have all the VRSs looking pretty. They just got clean. But